I think to be a genuine leader in AI in this age, it's all about the people and understanding how you can use it as a mechanism to improve the quality of life for your people, redirect the work into something that's more fulfilling and enriching, and ultimately help contribute towards the growth of your people. I think some of the key characteristics, especially of business leaders that are progressing well with AI, is a mindset of natural curiosity and interest. And it means that they understand that this is a holistic transformation that we're going through. And I think they also get the most value out of the systems because they don't treat it purely for drafting or purely for theorizing or brainstorming. They think about how can we apply this in many different ways. It's really about that dynamic growth mindset and that natural curiosity that I think leads to a lot of value. The Boston Consulting Group came out with this framework talking about 10% of challenges that are going to be faced will be relating to the deep data science, the AI algorithms, things like that. 20% will be associated with the underlying infrastructure that support the technology, the applications, and the cloud. But 70% of the challenges businesses will face are around people, processes, and policies. And that's really reflective of the model that we talk about at Akkodis. We talk about the 5 pillars of successful AI adoption, and technology is one of those 5. The other 5 are strategic alignment and leadership buy-in, governance and risk management, training, upskilling and reskilling, and cultural adoption and change management. So something that I think leaders need to be focused on is how can they adapt their business processes, having an open dialogue with their employees and communicating that this is not something that they would replace employees with, but rather they want to enable and empower the employees as the employees are already doing themselves.
Engineering a smarter future together.